Assalamu alaikum students, I'm again Mansoor Ali, lecturer of Mathematics APDC. Today I'll teach about exercise 3.1 and definitely chapter is chapter number 3, matrices and determinant. Inshallah ta'ala, after this presentation you will able to solve exercise 3.1. So here we start. Matrices and determinant, this is the chapter number 9 and exercise 3.1. Okay, before I'm just going to start the formal exercise, I want you to watch previous lectures first one and second one, because this exercise is based on previous lecture as well. Okay, so question number 1, that if A matrix is this and B matrix is this, then show that 4 of A means 4 times A minus 3 times A is equal to A. 4 is the scalar number, 3 is also a scalar number. So first of all we just multiply 4 with this matrices and 3 with this matrices. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, and same as 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. And for the operation of two matrices there is a subtraction sign, so the order of this is 2 by 2 and this is also 2 by 2, so we can subtract these two matrices. So how we can subtract it? We have learned it from lecture 1, lecture 2, that by if we order have same, if order are same, so we can just subtract by A11, this A11. So 8 minus 6, 12 minus 9, 4 minus 3, 12, 20 minus 15, like this. And 8 minus 6, you know that 2 and 3 1 5, 2 3 1 5, 2 3 1 5. You can see that this is matrix A and we have proved it that this thing is equal to A. So part 2 please do yourself, because I'm repeating again and again one quotation of maths. If you want to learn maths, please do the maths. मैथ्स करोगे मैथ्स आएगी, मैथ्स नहीं करोगे मैथ्स नहीं आएगी. Okay, now question number 2. If A matrix is iota 0 1 minus iota, then prove that A raised to the power 4 is equal to I2. What is I2? I2 means the identity matrix of order 2 by 2, means 1 0 0 1. This is called I2. Okay, A raised to the power 4, if I multiply this with 4 times, so it will give 1001. How can I do it? Okay, A raised to the power 4, I am just taking left hand side, so A raised to the power 4 means A square the whole square. Can I write like this? Yes. And A square, can I write A square with A multiplied by A? Yes, we can. Okay, so A by A, if you multiply, because they again operation of matrix of the multiplication, row 1 column 1. Now 1 iota multiplied by iota, iota square, 0 1s are 0, and I didn't write because I don't like to write. Okay, so iota 0s are 0 and 0 minus iota are again 0. Okay, now 1 iota is a iota and minus 1 1s are minus 1, again 1 0s are 0, minus plus, and it should be iota square. Okay, now A square, the answer of A square is like this: iota square, 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay, and again iota minus iota is 0, and this is iota square. So you can see that A square is minus 1, because iota square, you know, iota square value is minus 1. Okay, now again iota square the whole square, because I want to take A raised to the power 4. So again this thing I have to multiply by this thing. So minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, minus plus, 1 1s are 1. First row first column I am multiplying, first row first column multiply कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, multiply. minus minus plus, 1 1 is a 1, then 0 times 0, 0 0 is a 0. First row second column की बारी आ गई, minus 1 0 is a 0, 0 minus 1 is a 0. First row first column, this is the thing. First row second column, this is the thing. Now the term is second row. Second row first column, second row second column. How can I do it? 0 minus 1 is a 0, minus 1 0 is a 0. Then 0 0 is a 0, and minus minus plus 1 1 is a 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 1. So you can see that this is the I2, that is identity matrix of order 2, and that is right hand side. I have proved it. So question number 3, question number 4, question number 5 you have to do yourself, and you can take the help from this question number 2. Okay, the general question of the exercise, question number 6. This is the general question. If A is equal to A of I of j, means there is some element A11, A12, A22, 1, 2, 2. Okay, and what is the order? 3 by 3. मतलब A11, A12, A13 तक, and A21, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. So this is the order of 3 by 3, means square matrix. So we have to show that lambda is the scalar quantity and mu is also a scalar quantity. Lambda multiplied by mu of A, it should be equal to lambda of mu of A. So how we can prove it? A is equal to A of ij 3 by 3. Okay, what is left hand side? Left hand side is lambda mu of A, lambda mu of A. Okay, so lambda mu of A means lambda mu is same, and what is A value? A is Aij 3 by 3. Okay, now lambda mu, because mu is the scalar quantity, so it can be multiplied with the matrix. So lambda is outside from the matrix, mu is inside the matrix. Okay, so lambda mu A of ij 3 by 3. Okay, now you can just see that mu is outside the matrix, so lambda mu A of ij 3 by 3. So you can see that this is the, again matrix is same A, so lambda mu of A right hand side. This is the general proof, so the proof is not the thing that comes in the paper, but this is the general case. Okay, for the sake of part 2, part 3, this is the homework, and question 7, 8, 9, 10, all questions are same like this. Okay, and if you have any problem, so you can ask me through WhatsApp and through mail, through Google Classroom. Okay. Okay, now question number 12. Find the matrix X. This is matrix X. Okay, right now I don't know what is matrix X, because this is order 2 by 2, this is order 2 by 2. So what I took, I suppose let X is equal to 2 by 2 matrix and the element is ABCD. So इस X की जगह पे ABCD रख दिया. This is same, this is same. Okay, now these two matrices can be multiplied. Yes, because 2 columns and 2 rows. And how we can multiply? Row by column. A by 5, first row first column, 5A minus 2B, then 2A plus B, then 5C minus 2D, 2C plus D. This is like this, and the same thing, minus 1, 2, 12, 3. Now what is the order of this matrix? 2 by 2, and this matrix 2 by 2. So we can equate the matrix because order is same, and in between the matrices there is equal to sign. So this A11, it should be equal to this A11. So 5A minus 2 is equal to minus 1, and again I can just 2A plus B is equal to 2, or 5C minus 2 is equal to 12, and 2C plus D is equal to 3. So I'm just making the equation. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 equations, and because you have learned from previous classes, by the substitution method or elimination method, or you can say that simultaneously solve, I can get the value of A and B from equation 1 and 2, and from equation 3 and 4 I can get the value of C and D. And for the weaker students that they don't know how to solve, I'm explaining द क्लास 9th और 10th कंटेंट. देखो 2a प्लस b, ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या है 5a माइनस 2b. ओके, to solve 1 and 2, put b is equal to 5 minus 2a. 5 minus 2a from equation number 2. 5 minus 2a. Can I write like this? b की सब्जेक्ट बना लिया 5 minus 2a. ठीक है, इसको पुट कर दो इसके अंदर b की जगह पे. So 5a is same, minus 2 is same, b की जगह पे 5 minus 2a, minus 1 is same. I'm just multiplying. 2 5 are 10, minus 1 is plus. Okay, now 5a plus 4a 9a, and minus 10 को should be shifting there. So plus 10 minus 1 9. So 9a is equal to 9. So 9 multiply और वहाँ जगह क्या हो जाएगा डिवाइड. So a is equal to 1. इसको पुट कर दो किसी भी इक्वेशन में, 1 में या 2 में. So you can get the value of b like this. Put a is equal to in 2. So what is the value of b? b is 3. Now solve equation number 3 4 like part equation 1 2. Again just make the subject of d and put in d 3, and the value is c is equal to 2 and d is equal to minus 1. So what was the matrix of a b c d? So a b c d was the matrix. Now look at this, hence matrix is a b c d. And what is the value of a? 1, b is 3, 2 is minus 1. So this is a required matrix of the question number 12. Okay, now question number 13 is as same as question number 12, so you can do it by yourself, because again I'm saying there is only one way to learn maths. Shabash. To do maths, there is only one way to learn maths, to do maths. Now question number 14, show that these two matrices can be multiplied and the answer is Ri of 3. I3, what is I3? I3 is identity matrix of order 3, like I2 means identity matrix of order 2, so I3 means identity matrix of order 3, means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is left hand side, I took the left hand side. Okay, now I am multiplying R, first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, like this. Then second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Then third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. But for the simplicity, आई एम मेकिंग अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ कैसे हम करेंगे. ठीक है, क्योंकि मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन में बच्चों को ज़रा मसला होता है, तो इसलिए मैं अब आपको समझाऊंगा. देखो फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, आर इज सेम, cos 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय cos 5, cos स्क्वायर 5 हो जाएगा, जो कि अभी भी मैंने फिलहाल cos 5 लिख के दिखाया है, लेकिन नेक्स्ट टाइम जो है ना sin स्क्वायर 5 लिख दूंगा मैं. ठीक है, नाउ फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम के बाद 0 टाइम्स 0 0, माइनस माइनस प्लस, आर इज सेम, sin 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय sin 5 sin स्क्वायर 5. ये हो गया फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम हो गया. अब किसकी बारी है? फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम. दिस मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0, दिस 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाय आर 0, दिस मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0 0. ये फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम हो गया. नाउ फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम, आर इज सेम, cos 5 sin 5 मल्टीप्लाई. नाउ 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0 0, माइनस प्लस माइनस, आर इज सेम, sin 5 एंड cos 5. ओके, नाउ अगेन द सेम थिंग, सेकंड रो को भी आपने ऐसे ही करना है फर्स्ट रो की तरह. सेकंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम ये आएगा, सेकंड रो सेकंड कॉलम ये आएगा, सेकंड रो थर्ड कॉलम ये आएगा, एंड थर्ड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम ये आएगा, थर्ड रो सेकंड कॉलम ये आएगा, थर्ड रो थर्ड कॉलम ये आएगा. नाउ यू कैन सी दैट r cos square 5 sin square 5. okay, so this can be cancelled, 0 0, sin square 5 plus cos square 5 what 1, and because sin square theta plus cos square theta मैट्रिक में पढ़कर आए हो is equal to 1, so sin square 5 plus cos square 5 is also 1. 1 times r is r, r again r, 1 r, because 1 times r is r, so 0 0 0. so I'm just taking common r, r is here, so this is the I3. so I have proved it that r of I3, that is right hand side. If you have any questions regarding this presentation, this lecture, you can ask me through WhatsApp in your maths period. And thank you for your attention. Allah Hafiz.